Hi everyone, I am your science teacher, Miss Nada. I am pleased to present to you the monthly science revision, which will be on lessons 6 adaptation, 7 bird speak, and 8 motion. Let's start with our first lesson adaptation. What is the meaning of adaptation? Adaptation means the change in animal's physical structure or behavior. There is a change in a physical structure or behavior that help it to survive in its habitat. We have two types of adaptation: structural adaptation and behavioral adaptation. The first type called structural adaptation like penguin and polar bear. Penguin and polar bear. There is structural adaptation like the penguin have a thick layer of fat. This is called blubber. The thick layer of fat. This is called blubber that protect it from cold climate. Okay, and also polar bear have a thick layer of fat. This is called blubber and have also thick layer of fur that help it to protect it from the cold climate. Okay, the second type of adaptation is called behavioral adaptation. Behavioral adaptation like the animal migration. There is some birds migrate from or moved from one place to another place due to seasonal climate change. Seasonal climate change. Okay. Some examples on adaptation: the shapes of bird's beak. The shapes of bird's beak. There are many types of shaped. The shape of bird's beak. There are many types or shapes of beaks that's linked to the type of food they eat. The second example, color of animal's skin, like chameleon that change its color to defend itself against its enemies. Now, let's complete. The second lesson is called beaks of birds. Beaks of birds. We have four types of beaks. The first type called spoon beak. Spoon beak. The second type is called scissor beak. Scissor beak. The third type is called tweezer beak. Tweezer beak. And the fourth type is called clothespin beak. Clothespin beak. Now is our last lesson. This is called motion. What is the meaning of motion? What is the meaning of motion? The motion means the process of moving or being moved. The process of moving or being moved. When you look to this picture, this is a person moved from one place to another. Okay, the second picture, this is a girl move an object from one place to another. So the motion is a process of moving or being moved. Okay, you can use force to move an object or stop it. We can use force to move an object or stop it, speed it up or slow it down, change its direction or change its shape. So we have two types of force. The pushing force and pulling force. Pushing force and pulling force. This is a pulling force, this is a pulling force, and this is a pushing force. Thank you so much for listening and have a nice day. Goodbye.